What's wiggling, Warenoticers? It's your boy, Mr. CEO, Big Daddy Shane Mumma of this beautiful, awesome, fantastic technology YouTube channel that is Warenotice. And guys, today we'll be unboxing this bad boy right here. This is the LifeProof free case for the iPhone XS Max. So without further ado, let's get to unboxing it. Warenotice on the baddest beat. Met a lot of people, but still don't know defeat. Running for the White House, but I am no athlete. Got Jordans on my feet and haters in retreat. Wait, I am the CEO. Competition robotic, call him C3PO. So folks, here we are up close and personal with the LifeProof free box. And a few things that you can see about it from the box is it claims to be waterproof, dirtproof, snowproof, and dropproof. Specifically, if we come around to the back of this bad boy, you'll see that it offers water protection for up to 2 meters deep for up to 1 hour. And it also apparently, quote, survives drops from 2 meters, end quote. And yeah, this is supposed to be a good protective case, and for that reason, it'll set you back about $90, so it's not exactly cheap. So now, without further ado, let's take it out of the box. So here we go. It's a very easy unboxing experience, folks. Just slide just like that, and now it's out. So here it is right there, the LifeProof free case for the iPhone XS Max, which I also have sitting right here next to it. And let's see what else is inside the box. Right here under the plastic, we've got this little bit of paperwork. Let's see if we can get that out. And yeah, what this bad boy says is the setup instructions for the case, how to put it on the phone, and also it talks about the water test that you should do on this bad boy. It also talks about that right here. Basically, before you get the case wet, you're supposed to test it out to make sure there are no leaks in it. And to do that, you just submerge it in water for a half hour. As you can see right here, you're going to need to put something weighted on top of it so it doesn't rise to the top. Big Daddy Shane, of course, I do my homework. I already did that. So yeah, this bad boy works just fine, this particular case. So let's put it on my iPhone XS Max right here. So to do that, we're just going to pop open this port down here that covers the lightning port. And then we're going to want to, where is the little place? Up here this time is the little place you just got to pull open right here. And just like that, now we got it separated and we can just crack it open just like that. And now it's nice and open, so we can just put my iPhone XS Max right in there, put this bad boy on top, and now just squeeze it nice and shut around all the different sides. And here we go, boop, 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 squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And lastly, just down here. And yeah, it looks like it's all nice and on right now, so here it is. So first impressions, this definitely makes the iPhone XS Max, which is already quite huge, feel much bigger because it also makes it, you know, bigger on the sides and bigger depth-wise. So yeah, it is a bit thicker, but not way too much, not a crazy amount. And yeah, look how big this guy looks. Hello, hello, Big Daddy Shane on the phone. And yeah, this color right here, this is the Asphalt color, or in other words, as most people would say, black. And yeah, last year for the iPhone X LifeProof free case, they also made it in this red color. I have that case, and it definitely would have been nice if they would have made the iPhone XS Max LifeProof free in red as well, but sadly they don't. But this black color seems just fine for me, and that way I guess the phone won't get too much attention because it's just black, boring. And yeah, as you can see, it also adds a bit of this black wraparound around the phone screen, and we can still unlock it just like that with Face ID, still use the phone as we normally would, just like that. And now before we end this Warenotice video, let's take one closer look at the case. As you can see, it's still got a bit of a camera bump going on, just a tiny, tiny little bit. It's got a little area right here where you can see through the case to see the Apple logo and also the gold coloring of my iPhone XS Max. Over here, it's got these little I'm not sure what these would be called, but these little nubs around the volume buttons and the mute switch right here. Look at that. It's got this mute switch button just like that, as you can see. Muted, unmuted, just like that. And then over here, it's got the side button that you can obviously use to power on and power off the iPhone, as well as activate Siri and put the device to sleep, wake up the screen. And yeah, down here, it's got that cover for the lightning port, as well as little speaker areas. These are also supposed to be watertight, obviously. This is, once again, a waterproof case. And yeah, over here, once again, this is the area you pull on to take the case apart to get it off the phone, or also to take it apart to put it on the phone like you saw earlier. And yeah, one more thing that you guys may or may not have noticed, it does have a screen protector built in. As you may or may not know, I'm not the biggest fan of screen protectors, but I can understand why LifeProof needs to have it on this device to make it waterproof. And yeah, if you do like screen protectors, you may just like that it's included, because then you don't have to worry about like positioning it all correctly. And yeah, folks, with that, that'll be all for this Warenotice unboxing of the LifeProof free case for the iPhone XS Max. Pretty cool bad boy so far, just with my first impressions. Once again, it'll set you back about $90 and is advertised as waterproof, dirt-proof, snowproof, and drop-proof, so lots of good things. And yeah, if you enjoyed this Warenotice video, definitely be sure to smash that subscribe button and subscribe to the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel for more awesome technology videos just like this one. And thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Warenotice out with the LifeProof free case for the iPhone XS Max.